Alright, here's my 2012 Sportster 48. I've had it a couple weeks. Today I'm going to be showing you a comparison between the stock exhaust and the twisted choppers slash cut headers that I've ordered online. A couple other things that I've done is just remove the upper and lower belt guards. Made a air cleaner for it, just ordered a K&N filter, gave it a paint job, set a little diamond plate in. Pretty cheap compared to buying one of the aftermarket ones. Did a tank lift on it, made those brackets. Pretty simple. Also relocated the ignition coil to the left side of the bike. Made that bracket also at a diamond plate. And moved the ignition switch also. Same thing with the diamond plate. And then just painted everything. Give you a roundabout view of the bike here. And then we'll go into the comparison between the two exhausts. Alright, I'm going to start up now with the stock exhaust just to give you a comparison. Alright, here's the new pipes installed. Twisted choppers slash cut headers. They're a lot louder than I thought they were going to be.